Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Compass for offer strategy and negotiations, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Compass website. Locate the resources or support section on the homepage. Click on the relevant link for offer strategies and negotiations. Create an account if you haven't already done so. Log into your account with your credentials. Navigate to the training or tutorial section. Look for beginner guides specifically about offer strategies. Select the video or document that focuses on negotiations. Review the content thoroughly to understand the basics. Take notes on key strategies and tips provided. Engage with any interactive elements, such as quizzes or forums. Reach out to a mentor or advisor through the Compass platform. Schedule a one-on-one session for personalized guidance. Discuss your specific needs and any challenges you face. Ask questions regarding the offer strategy that applies to your situation. Utilize the tools provided by Compass to create your negotiation plan. Practice your negotiation skills using scenarios from the training. Gather feedback from your mentor on your approach. Join community discussions or webinars hosted by Compass. Connect with other users to share experiences and insights. Apply the newly learned strategies in real-life negotiations. Reflect on your experiences to continually improve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.